feel like it's zoomed in.
It probably is. Yeah, it is zoomed in.
It isn't zoomed in. How do I unzoom it?
Yeah.
Why'd you just zoom it in so much?
Because I was obviously zoomed in on something the last time I used it. I don't know.
That's a creek.
That is a river, bro.
That's a creek.
It's not a big river, but it's a river.
That's a creek.
I have to look up what a river it is. I wonder. That is a river. Look at that thing.
That's a creek.
Listen, as someone who grew up on literally a creek, I know the difference between a river.
As somebody who grew up on literally 3 rivers.
You grew up in Pittsburgh
With 3 rivers.
that no one goes near because you get 3 eyes.
But the downtown is literally built between 3 rivers.
Yeah, and that's
Cross them every day. That's a creek.
That's a river.
Or a stream at the best.
That is a river.
That's not a river.
It is so a river.
Ask him.
You son biker boy.
Ask him if that's a river or not. So that's a stream.
Well, I guess we'll find out in the comments.
That's a stream.
Let us know in the comments. Is that a river or a stream? I bet you if we look it up, it's called the whatever river.
I mean, it can be called whatever it wants. That's cool and all, but it's definitely a stream.
Right. We should have. Oh, that's what we should have done was bring a fucking air tube. You could just hopped in. I would have picked you up at the bottom.
Yeah, 'cause that's how that works.
Huh?
Yeah, 'cause that's how that works.
It is how it works. We do it all the time.
Okay, yeah, for this river.
For what?
This one?
Well, not this river, but the one by my house.
Probably take fucking 6 hours to get down to the bottom.
I don't know. Looks like it's moving pretty good. Still catching the rear view.
I mean, that's cool and all, but there we go.
I mean, sure.
I mean, sure, it's catching everything.
It's catching something, that's for
It's
sure.
catching pay attention to the road.
Listen.
What you need to do. Before that Dodge out-tows you. It's a Dodge pulling a Dodge.
Yeah. It's like a snake eating its own tail. Yeah, that river's right there.
It's a stream.
Right there. Like you could fish out of the window right now if you wanted to.
Negative. Fish for what?
I don't know. I'm sure there's some sort of sturgeon or trout or something in there.
That doesn't make sense.
I don't know. I don't know what fish are in rivers and streams and shit. Oh, this is where the fire was on the way in. Yeah, so the fire was right here, showing the burn.
I didn't see any fire.
That's because they had pretty much put it out by the time you got here, apparently. But yeah, there you can see the fur went all the way up, and it's up the mountain more.
They grow pretty nice.
Yeah, there was another one down yonder away.
I don't think so. I don't think it's. Fucking little bitch. He doesn't even got a fatty in the back.
Big old fat ass.
Is that fiberglass on that building?
The bump outs are.
The new ones are.
No, they're not.
The one I was gonna buy was all
The windshield was terrible.
down.
Killed all of the bugs.
And we just cleaned it. I just cleaned it.
Yeah, the last stop. Train.
Do you know there's a train that goes from DC to New York in 2 hours? I find that hard to believe.
I find that hard to believe as well. Is that going through old Elon's fucking tube?
Fuck, I wish, bro. Don't judge me with a fucking good time.
Probably go faster than 56 now.
Speed limit's 55.
For trucks, we're not a truck.
When it conveniences you, we're
Yes.
not a truck. But every other time we have to follow the road of the trucks.
Yes.
But when it conveniences you,
Yes.
we're not a truck. Okay, Granberry.
But as long as you're aware of how this works.
Okay, Granberry. Well, good thing that I'm driving right now.
Is that what Granberry does too?
Yep. You go faster. Well, Granberry, I'm going to speed limit. Well, you know, you can go at least 10 over.
You can't go 10 over.
No, Granberry, I'm not going 10 over. I will hold steady at 58.
So you are going faster, like I said.
Now, had we have like 200 miles on this road, yeah, then of course I will speed up. But over the course of 25 miles at 59 miles an hour, I mean, that's only going to save you 2 miles, man.
Yeah, which that 2 miles could be all the difference.
Negative goes rather.
It could.
See,
What if there was an accident 4 miles, and had we been going faster, we would have missed it?
Sucks to suck, dude.
Just saying, it could make the difference.
Open it up, get a drink, get back in my truck.
Did you see the tractor on the car hauler that just went by? It was a bunch of cars and a freaking Kubota. God, I hope I got that.
Look at these rolling mountains, man.
Yeah, pretty cool mountains. So we are in Utah. Wilson's home. Well, one of Wilson's home states. I don't know.
Wild horses.
No one knows. Well, those aren't wild horses.
But there are wild horses here in Utah.
Are there though?
Yeah, that's Wilson.
Ask Wilson. We'll have to ask Wilson. But yeah. Utah.
Oh, 45 miles an hour on this one.
Ooh. How slow can you go?
Definitely 45 if I remember one of these correctly. It's fucking really bad. Not this one though. They must be.
Well, it should be better. It means that you're going up it instead of down it this time.
Well, that and I actually the weight's distributed pretty low on this trailer.
Yes.
It's not like stacked.
Well, yeah,
like
yeah.
the
You're not
Ram was.
because the Ram not only was stacked, but it's a high boy, or you know what I mean. It's a low boy trailer.
Like,
But it's above the wheels.
Like this. I'm like, oh my god, stop.
Yeah, you're down in between the wheels on this trailer.
Yeah, I don't mind taking turns a little bit tough on this one. I think it's this.
That and everything's out. It's only your truck in there now. It's not heavy loaded, top loaded like it was before. Look at that cat.
Cat?
Was it big old probably D8?
Oh shoot! This truck behind me's getting pissed, bro. Let me just speed up, dog. I'm sorry, dude. I'm trying to go to speed up. My bad, bro. Don't fucking yell at me, dude.
He's pissed.
Yeah, he is. He's like stupid fucking amateurs.
It's your dude.
Is it? Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, it's Giant Cab.
Just come fucking past me, seeing how low your center of gravity is.
Show us how to Dougie.
Yeah, this guy can show you. This guy could probably take these turns at like 90 miles an hour.
But, alright. We'll probably check in the mornings unless something happens, which hopefully that doesn't knock on some fake wood. It's gonna be dark, you're not gonna be able to see anything, so we'll check in with you tomorrow morning, I think. We'll still be pushing on.
Yep. Just going on 80. 600 miles on 80.
We're still on 84.
I know, but after 80, this is the end of 84.
Yeah, right there at the end.
That fucking...
The sharp part.
Yeah, real sharp
And then
part.
it's 600 miles on 80.
600 miles uphill on 80.
No, it's only 300 miles uphill on 80.
I swear to God, like the next 100 miles is straight uphill. Because I remember going straight downhill.
Yes, it's terrible. Welcome to suburbia.
Welcome to suburban Nebraska.
We're way too big for this.
I don't think so.
I know so.
I don't think so.
Yeah, stop sign up there. I think it's gonna be a turn.
Yeah. Oh, that ain't too tight. See?
We're gonna find out.
Oh no, it ain't too tight.
How'd we get here?
You couldn't pull off driving for another few hours.
Oh, so it's my fault.
Like this, dude.
Turn right onto North
It's not even a tight turn,
148.
dude.
Oh, it isn't when you turn from the left turn lane.
It's not even a tight turn, dude.
Yeah,
Look at this
that's
shit.
good.
Bam! Perfect.
Yeah,
That was one of the easier turns I've ever done.
In 14 miles, turn left onto State Highway
that
43
grass.
North.
That is nice grass.
Wow. I love how everybody has fake fucking grass.
It's not fake, it's real.
Nah, bro, that shit fakes.
That's real.
No, bro. That's real grass.
It's not natural. It's not from here, but it's real. It's not native. So we are, what, 18 hours, 19 hours from the house?
More than that.
Yeah, fuel stops.
Yeah, probably about 20, 22.
But, alright. That's your check-in. We got kind of lost and now we're on this crazy little road, but we'll make it back. So many accidents today. It's the first one I thought to get the camera out for.
There's the pelt. It's the pelt. That must be fresh.
What's going on?
He's driving.
He lost a load.
Oh, is that what it was?
He lost a kayak.
Stupid motherfucker.
You can't load it like that, Bob. I told you a million times. You can't roll your kayaks out to the side like that.
Why wouldn't you just put him over the top like every other normal person or hang him out the back? Why would you load him on the side? In what world does that make it easier?
Did you see the cop knife handing him though? Like, God damn it, Bob.
Stupid fuck.
I wish I would have got the camera out for the other ones. They were better, but that one was still fun.
I wish, dude.
We're in Missouri.
Ready?
Yep. Nice and easy. Forward and my way. Up and up. As much as you can go. There you go. Right. You gotta go straight back. Actually, yeah. Turn your wheel this way. Alright, good. You're fine. Keep going. Alright, straight. Yeah. Forward. Very far. Hey, feel this way. Good. Just like that. Alright? You're good. Alright. This way. Alright? Right. Straight. Alright. Yeah, everything looks good. You're good. You're gonna clear it. Just fine this time. Good.
How close you want the parking lot?
to the door, I don't want you to just go. Because it's heavy, I don't want it hanging out the door. You're good. You're good. Now.
They're in the back.
That wasn't too bad. What's in the back?
My shoes.
Oh. Alright. Well, we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and unload this on B. And then, yeah, I'm probably gonna call it for the rest of this video and the rest of the day. And, oh, it's filthy. And nap time and whatnot. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and you'll see what we get into next.